Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today we are doing a face masks and unboxing video. As always, I will have the face mask linked down below if you guys want to know what I'm using. But today we are unboxing Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This box is so awkward and huge because my address is written on all the sides. So if you can tell by the tape, it's Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you want to see what I got in this box, then keep watching. So Jeffree Star had like a 12 days of Christmas thing going. He was uploading things for $12. So I got some things because I thought that these were great prices, and when else are they going to be $12? So the first thing I got is the liquid lipsticks volume 2 like nude set. First of all, I think the packaging is so cute. The open here for nudes is, I just think that's really cute. But these are the shades. I really liked this one because they're more like brown toned and not so light and peachy. I'm not gonna lie, I did use one. I used Christmas Cookie. It is so pretty. I think if this is still available on his website, I might buy it full size because it is so pretty. But these are all shades I'll probably wear, even though there are like really deep browns. I will wear them and try them out, especially with a gloss. I think they'd be really pretty. Next, I got one of his highlighters. This is the Skin Frost in Siberian Gold. This shade is gorgeous and I cannot wait to use it. Let me swatch it for you guys. I've always wanted one of his highlights. Like, look at that. That's really pretty. Next, I got the Jawbreaker palette. First of all, the packaging is so super cute. I love it. And then the colors in here are really pretty. I have the cremated palette, so I'm really excited to use those two together. But this on its own is really pretty too. I do like that there are a couple of neutral shades mixed in here, so it's not just like all color and rainbow. And last thing I got a mystery item, which I thought would be kind of fun. And I was really nervous because I didn't want something super random like a green liquid lipstick or a green highlighter, something really random. So I was pleasantly surprised when I saw it's Jeffree Star Skin Vitamin C Perfecting Serum. I love a good serum and I really like vitamin C serums. I have not opened this. Ooh, I love the packaging. This is so pretty. So this is like a, you know, I was gonna say free gift. It's just like a really good surprise gift, and I'm excited to try this. So that is everything that I picked up from Jeffree Star's 12 Days of Christmas. Let me know if you guys want to see any videos on any of these products. Everything will be linked down below, including the face mask that I am using. If you guys have any video suggestions of any other content you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. I really want to upload more for you guys, so please let me know what you want to see. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked in the description box. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.